exciting challenges and opportunities in drone technology. Dive into the future of innovation today and let your journey soar with Oakfarm College.
Drone Technology. Purpose of this course. By the end of this course, learner will have gained a comprehensive understanding of technology involved in drones design and develop the skills and confidence to pursue their creative ambition in the field of drone technology. In this course, the participants will learn drones components and their work, legalities and risks and applications in commerce, exploration, horticulture, agriculture and more. This course is meant for 1. Aviation enthusiasts and hobbyists. Those with a passion for flying and technology take the course to deepen their knowledge and skills in operating drones. 2. Technology professionals, engineers, software developers, and IT professionals interested in the technical aspects of drone systems and their applications might find the course relevant. 3. Photographers and videographers. Drones offer unique perspectives for capturing images and video. Professionals in these fields can learn how to leverage drone technology for creative projects. 4. Agricultural professionals, farmers and agronomists can use drones for monitoring crops, mapping fields, and precision farming. 5. Students, those studying engineering, computer science, robotics, or related fields who want to gain practical skills and knowledge in a rapidly growing area. 6. Entrepreneurs, individuals looking to start a business or service related to drone technology, such as drone photography services, delivery systems, or drone repair and maintenance. 7. Regulatory and safety personnel. Those involved in the regulation and safety of airspace and drone operations, including law enforcement and aviation authorities. And 8. Educators, teachers, and instructors who want to incorporate drone technology into their curriculum or use it as a teaching tool. This course will help to learn what drones are and how they can be used in a variety of industries. The Drone Technology course will help you understand different types of drones, how they work, and how they are used across a broad variety of industries. The applications and uses for drones are expanding all the time across many industries. Course objectives: understand the fundamentals of drone technology, gain practical skills in operating and maintaining drones, learn about the applications of drones in various industries, understand the regulatory and safety aspects of drone operations, explore the future trends and innovations in drone technology. Module 1. Introduction to Drone Technology. Overview of drone technology. History and evolution of drones. Types of drones: fixed wing, rotary wing, hybrid. Components and systems of a drone. Module 2. Basic aerodynamics and flight mechanics. Principles of flight. Understanding lift, thrust, drag, and weight. Stability and control of drones. Flight dynamics and performance.
Don't wait. Enroll now in Oakfarm College's Drone Technology course and take the first step toward mastering this exciting, high-demand skill. By enrolling and completing the course, you'll unlock access to a free startup fundraising course designed to help you turn your new drone expertise into a thriving business or career. Learn how to secure funding, develop a business plan, and pitch your ideas to investors, all at no extra cost. This is your opportunity to gain not only cutting-edge skills, but also the tools to transform them into solid success. Enroll today and start building your future.